We're going to learn how to construct chords, but first of all, what are chords? Chords are when we play three or more notes at the same time or simultaneously. When there are three notes, we call it a triad. So let's look at the notes played one at a time. First of all, for the C major triad. Middle C is to the left of those two black notes. Then E, count two white notes up on the bottom line. G, count two white notes up on the second line. And we play them separately because they're one after the other. Let's make a C major chord or triad. So first of all, we're going to play these simultaneously instead of separately. First of all, let's put our C down the bottom. Then count two white notes up to E. Count two white notes up to G, and we play them at the same time. Okay, we call that a C major triad because C is at the bottom, or we call it the root note. Okay, so now let's make an F major chord or triad. Let's start with F on the bottom space. That's to the left of those three black notes. Count up two white notes to A, count up two white notes to C. Okay, and we play those at the same time. And we call it F major because F is the note at the bottom or the root note that the chord is built on. Okay, let's make a G major chord or triad. We just move everything up one. So we put our G on the second line, B on the middle line, and D is on the fourth line. We play those together because they're stacked on top of each other, and we call it the G major triad because G is the root note, or is at the bottom of the chord. Okay, let's draw them all together. First of all, we start with middle C, count two white notes up. On the bottom line we have E, on the second line we have G, and we play them all together. Okay, put F on the bottom space, two notes up is A, two notes up is C, we play them all together. G is on the second line, count two notes up for B, count two notes up for D, and we play them all together. Okay, let's look at how we find and play those chords on the piano keyboard. First of all, let's find middle C. Two black notes. To the left of that black note there, we have middle C. Count up two white notes, and we have E. Count up two white notes, and we have G. Alright, to the left of these three black notes, this black note here, we have F, or it's four notes up from C. There's F, okay, count up two white notes, and there's A, count up two white notes, and that's C. Very simple thing to find the G chord. We just count up, we just move the whole lot to the right, up one note, and there's our G chord.